Introducing our compact powder packaging solution for small formats. This automated packaging system includes our VerTek 800 vertical form fill and seal machine with star Auger filler. Able to dispense as little as 10 grams into pouches ranging from 1 to 8 inches wide, this integrated solution is as flexible as they come. Standard features include stainless steel construction, large colored touchscreen, easy-to-use controls with recipe database, and open frame design for sanitation.